if you're experiencing frame stuttering while playing PUBG, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your GPU. Installing the latest drivers can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within PUBG. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadows. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Change your Windows power settings to high performance. Go to Control Panel Power Options and select High Performance. This ensures your PC is using maximum resources for gaming. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching PUBG, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve game performance. Step 5. Check for hardware issues. Ensure your hardware is functioning properly. Check your CPU and GPU temperatures to avoid overheating, and consider upgrading components if your system does not meet the game's requirements. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your PUBG gameplay experience. Enjoy your game.